Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to exchange AIT token on Trust Wallet. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search PancakeSwap, then we're going to click on the first link, then here, as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to click on click and select the AIT token. So once that's replaced, we're going to click on get started. Then it's going to create this. Then you guys are going to click on connect wallet, then click on trust wallet. Then as you can see, they require us to download the app. So once we download the app and we log in or create an account, we're going to click on swap. Then we're going to click on Sol. Then we're going to substitute it for AIT. So once we're done, we're going to click on continue. This is how we do it. This is how we exchange the tokens. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.